Wagwan KK Squad, it's your girl Kurly Krissy. Welcome back or welcome to my channel. As you can see by the title, I'm gonna be doing a wash day routine using these amazing products by Moerie. They sent me their wash day kit and I'm gonna show you guys the magic it works for my hair. Okay, so let's just jump right into the video. So first, I'm gonna be using the Moerie mineral shampoo for normal hair. This shampoo has 77 minerals, 5 vitamins, and 18 amino acids. First, I'm gonna make sure my hair is wet thoroughly before I apply this shampoo. Watch girl ear, nice and curly. Anyways, you guys know I love to smell my products. These products smells amazing, and also these products are paraben free, fragrance free, cruelty free, silicone free, SLS free, which I don't know what that means, and GMO free. Now I'm gonna be starting from the scalp, making sure my scalp is clean because that's where your hair growth starts. So you gotta make sure your scalp is super squeaky clean. By the way, I know a lot of people are against washing hair in the sink, but I make sure my sink is clean after I'm done washing my hair, so don't come for me. So now I'm gonna rinse out the first shampoo from scalp to the ends, making sure it's all rinsed out, and then I'm gonna be doing a second wash with this shampoo. Next, I'm gonna be using the Moerie mineral conditioner. This conditioner also has 77 minerals, 5 vitamins, and 18 amino acids. It also has the macadamia seed oil and the coconut oil. I love coconut oil. This conditioner makes your hair easy to detangle, as you can see in the next clip. So with the conditioner, I mostly focus on my ends because that's the oldest part of your hair. As you can see, I'm detangling my hair with a wide tooth comb, as others may call it a shampoo comb. Well, this is conditioner and I'm detangling my hair. As you can see, my hair feels super soft because of this conditioner. It smells amazing and it's working pretty well for my hair. So let's rinse this conditioner out. And as you can see, Goody are drawing herself and all these things. So now I'm gonna be squeezing some of the excess water out of my hair, and as you can see, your girl hair looking shiny because of this shampoo and conditioner. My hair is not looking dull anymore. It's hella moisturized. I'm gonna be using a cotton t-shirt to dry my hair. The cotton soaks up most of the water out of my hair, so that's why I'm using a cotton t-shirt just for a couple of minutes. Next, I'm gonna be using the Moerie Mineral Repairing Hair Mask, and with that, I'm gonna be using the Sunny Isle Jamaican Black Castor Oil because, as you know, I like to use oil with my mask or my deep conditioners. So I'm just going to be applying the Jamaican black castor oil into the container, mix it up. I'm going to be using the whole thing because as you guys see, I have a lot of hair. I don't know, it smells like vanilla. Is it vanilla? Or cookies and cream? It has this, it smells like rum cream. It looks like rum cream. Oh, it smells like rum and raisin ice cream. It does smell like rum and raisin ice cream. Now I'm gonna do 4 sections so I can apply this hair mask to my hair. This hair mask revives, protects, and moisturizes your hair and scalp. Then proceed with caffeine, which stimulates hair growth, and will end with organic oils, making your hair shiny and easy to look after. So I'm gonna be applying the hair mask in sections, starting from my ends and working my way up to the roots. Yes, it smells so good. It smells like ice cream. Just make sure everywhere get this mask, including them edges. And now I'm gonna be combing my hair through with this product, starting from the ends and working my way up to the roots. Now I'm gonna be doing them plaits, them braids. I don't know what you guys call them, but we call them plaits in Jamaica, just to separate what I've already done from the others. So as you can see, I've applied the mask everywhere. So now I'm gonna be using a plastic cap just to do my deep conditioning treatment, making sure that heat is trapped in under that cap, and I'm just gonna leave this on for an hour. And also, this is the box that it came inside of. Very cute package. I just wanted to show you guys. It's an hour later and I washed out my mask, but sis, let me tell you how super soft and moisturized my hair is. And also my scalp is super clean. After I washed my hair, I decided to do some twists while my hair was wet. So now I'm gonna be unraveling those twists with the Mineral Ultimate Growth Spray by Moerie. So I'm just gonna be spraying that everywhere just to get my hair a little moisturized and ready to be unraveled. Just take a minute to look at these fluffy twists. Oh my goodness, I love my hair. So this company, I'm gonna leave their link down in the description box if you guys are interested in trying out these products, these all natural products. They have a variety of different products that you guys won't regret using. They are amazing products. I'm not just saying. As you can see, the result is right here. As you can see, my hair is super shiny. It feels soft, moisturized, clean, light. Ooh, Moerie, I recommend these products 100%. Thank you guys for watching. Please comment your thoughts down below and don't forget to like this video. Make that thumbs up blue. Please also remember to subscribe, hit that bell so you can be notified when I post videos. Thank you again, and stay tuned for my next upload. Bye.